Matapos ang trahedya sa Vancouver na gumulat sa maraming Pilipino sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Canada, sa Toronto, kasabay ng paglubog ng araw-linggo, panalangin.
Gracious and loving God, in this time of sorrow and uncertainty, we come together as a community bound by faith and compassion.
Mula sa komunidad na malayo man sa pinangyarihan ng insidente, ramdam pa rin ang epekto ng trahedya.
Shocked and profoundly saddened by the violence that has struck the Filipino community in Vancouver.
Nais daw nilang ibahagi ang dasal at pakikiramay sa mga biktima at mahal sa buhay matapos ang pag-araro ng SUV sa Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party Sabado.
We are so heartbroken and we are still shaken about the tragedy that occurred last night. There are family members who came to Vancouver as visitors and now their lives are gone because of the tragedy that happened. So we are here to, of course, collectively grieve as the Filipino community.
Ang iba sinabing hindi sila makapaniwalang nangyari ito sa Canada.
I feel so sad, and all I could say that all my friends are saddened with the news. And for the families and victims in Vancouver, I'm sending my warmest condolence. And I could only say prayer that may everyone will be healed in this tragic event. This shouldn't be happened.
Panawagan ng Filipino organizations na naririto sa Toronto, hustisya at kasagutan nang maibsan kahit papaano ang pagkabagabag na nararamdaman ng maraming Pilipino.
This is a tragic incident that is very close and personal to most of us. When we found out about the tragedy, we immediately keep on checking everybody, trying to figure out their safety. We will be forming a lot of activities across the country to join our kababayans in Vancouver, to say that you are not alone. Together we will mourn, together we will organize and seek justice for our community.
Despite that we don't know the people who were affected, we don't have direct connection, they are still our kababayans.
Isasagawa ngayong linggo ang iba pang prayer vigil sa Vancouver, Montreal, Ottawa, Toronto, Winnipeg at Calgary. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.